New video coming up. Dry protective products that you haven't seen before. So if you've been following this channel, we have wrapped the Tesla vehicle in PPF and we've done it ourselves. It's actually not that difficult. So you can reference some of the links in the description of this video, but we will be doing a follow-up. We actually had some major rock hit the Tesla Model Y that have penetrated the PPF but have protected the paint. So we'll pull off that PPF and show you how PPF have protected the paint on the Tesla Model Y and reinstall some new ones because it has done its job over 2 years and it's been holding up fairly well. Of course, you cannot prevent big rocks from hitting your vehicle, especially sharp ones, without penetration. It will do well against smaller rock chips. It will self-heal itself, but we'll show you an example in a next video on how it can penetrate. And when it does penetrate, what happens to your paint. So we'll do a follow-up video on that, so stay tuned. Remember to subscribe. We'll also be testing out and using the ceramic coating on top of the PPF. And what Dry Protected also has here is a nano glass coating that provide a protection for your windshield, windows, and water will just beats off. So it improves safety, especially during rainy season or driving in the rain. We also will be using the Recharge ceramic spray. And when you purchase any of these bottles, it comes with a spray nozzle. We also have mega watt foam soap. So from Dry Protected, interesting name there, but good choice. And also amped up all-purpose cleaner. So we'll also test this out to clean the white seat of the Tesla Model Y just to see how well it does against the stain. And then we'll do the foam cannon. After we do the foam cannon, we'll do recharge. But of course, we'll first try the ceramic coating first on the PPF and see how easy it is to apply. And these are interesting bottles because you can see it is a bottle within the bottle. For example, this is the nano glass coating. So a type of ceramic. It comes with microfiber applicator. So this is a sponge applicator, microfiber. And this is how you apply. And here is the bottle. So just to show you how the bottle looks like. It's a glass bottle, nano glass coating. So this bottle, you can use at least 4 to 5 coat, I would say. 4 to 5 coat on 5 different vehicles, because that's really just for your windshield. And glass, you can apply it for any glass. Here is your ceramic coating for your paint or your PPF from Dry Protected. So it works really well with the Dry Protective PPF. Also come with an applicator, microfiber applicator. And this is the ceramic nano coating for paint or PPF. So this should be good for, I would say, 5 to 6 plus coating. So you can apply 2 times per vehicle. You have 2 vehicles. This would be more than sufficient. Very cool bottle. And you don't have to buy the applicator separately. Dry Protected also provides a full kit, microfiber cloth, which you need to be able to wipe this off. You can buy your own as well, but you can also purchase from Dry Protected, as they have all-in-one kits. So make sure you're subscribed to this channel. We'll do a full video again on how to remove PPF, install it, and protect your vehicle, or make it easier to clean with ceramic coating, especially on the PPF and also on the glass. Do note that the PPF does have hydrophobic material on top of the PPF, so you really don't have to apply ceramic coating, but if you want that extra shine and protection to the PPF, it makes it a lot easier to clean. Definitely go with the ceramic coating. And then of course the glass, you don't have to use a windshield wiper as often. Nano glass coating, this will beat all the water and it just glides right off the glass. And then the cleaning solution works well together. You want to recharge. When you apply ceramic coating to any paint or PPF, you want to make sure you use the right spray solution, soap, for washing your vehicle. Same thing with the foam. You want to recharge, so this will ensure the longevity of the ceramic coating. The car wash, you want to make sure you get the one for ceramic coating, so you don't strip off the ceramic coating. And then all-purpose cleaner for the interior. So stay tuned. Remember to subscribe. Catch you on next time. Again, this is from Dry Protected. If you're interested in any of these products, including the PPF, you can do PPF yourself for 1/3 the price versus having someone else do it for you. It is more cost effective to do it yourself. Of course, I would recommend getting a small piece to try out and starting with the fender. That would be the first installation, or even the mirror caps. So you can do the headlights, the mirror caps, or the front fenders as your first PPF installation. And once you get that down, the hood, the bumper is the most difficult. So bumper usually requires a little stretch. However, with Tesla and no ultrasonic sensor, it should be a lot easier to line it up and stretch out without having to try to fit around each of those ultrasonic sensor circle. Catch y'all next time.